All right, folks, so GameStop, they report after the close. Then, of course, crypto getting a nice bounce today. This after El Salvador's Congress approved Bitcoin as legal tender. By the way, with the supermajority, I want to bring in Mahoney Asset Management CEO Ken Mahoney along with Market Gauge Group's Michelle Snyder. Let's start with cryptocurrency. You know, in addition to this news out of El Salvador, there's a report that a luxury Miami penthouse was sold for $22.5 million in cryptocurrency. Ken, your thoughts?
I think it's good news, but I think the pathway resistance is actually go lower. And one of the reasons why the technical damage, you go from 62,000 down to 30,000. Yes, we've had a nice bounce, but there's a lot of overhead resistance. A lot of people that are trapped in that trade. More regulations coming. And the argument here all the time is about decentralization. And then Elon Musk puts a tweet out there. We go down 15, 20%. To me, it feels more decentralized. So to me, at the moment, I don't like the risk reward parameters for Bitcoin.
All right. We'll check back with both of you in about a week or two, see who was right, at least near term. Let's focus now on these Reddit stocks, though. Coming into the session, the shorts were down $7 billion on GameStop. They were down $4 billion on AMC for the year. Ken, are you trading any of these names? You know, we just did a segment with Susan Lee, and you know, there's so many names that you just look at this short list on any given day, and there's big money being made.
I get it. Look, we don't like AMC and GameStop for the reasons, you know, look, it's hard to trade something that holds every 10 minutes.
Do you like anything that has a big short position right now? I mean, have you looked at anything in terms of short squeezes?
Look, we do like the biotech industry in general. There are those squeezes there and so forth. But again, some of these things are just so revved up that all of a sudden the valuations don't make a lot of sense. So again, we wanted to buy growth at a reasonable value, Charles, and you get things like GameStop and you get AMC with 20 and 25 billion dollar market cap. There's really not a lot of upside there. So I guess the answer is they're squeezed, and then the valuations just don't make a lot of sense.
Michelle, let me get your thoughts on S&P. I break out your technical, your chart wizardry. If we break out, close at a new high, could that be the spark to finally get us out of this sort of narrow range we've been trading in?
Well, what's amazing is this narrow range, Charles, is at the all-time high. That's very unusual. So it means, obviously, that we're at this extreme pivotal area. Even though we've been over 422.74 intraday in the SPY, we haven't closed above. So I would want to see SPY hold 418, or we could have a little bit of trouble here.
All right.
So that's where we're at right now, $4.
Ken, can you answer it real fast? Summer rally, yes or no?
Yes, big summer rally, break out to new highs, Goldilocks environment. Biden's $4 trillion plan doesn't go through.
Yes. My other man is Ashley Webster, and I'm handing him over the show now. Ashley.